Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings once again at the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I First. Welcome all viewers and subscribers. Seen? Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and let's help grow the thing. You know, see, cause YouTube say these type of contents are not too ad-worthy, so you don't know. The more the merrier. You know, see it. Well, today we want a reasonable youth named Momo from over the Greenwich Farm side of things. You know, see it. You see, Momo now. Momo, they all over the place. And I really Greenwich Farm, but Greenwich Farm makes him most effect, one of the most devastating effect in a Portmore still, amongst the own family them. The youth claim say I'm a bad man and he come like say feeling badness I hurt him family more than anybody else. I've never seen anything like this. You know? Usually the gangster them family kind of protected and live with a certain level of you. Immunity if you don't mind sharp. You know see. So you can't understand where the youth get film strategy. Where am I go with this? And then make a thing there. Big up yourself, Spranger. You know, all long time hot stepper general from over in the West there. You know, see it and condolences to the I and the I family. You know, see it. We all mourn the loss of Bobby. Cause Bobby wasn't a bad man. You know, see it. Bobby wasn't a stepper. Bobby know people at Garrison and ghetto him living a yes. It's obvious. That's so them thing that nobody can deny that Rasta. Yeah, they're living at the Garrison and if a man here you are associate with you, a stepper associate with you, you tell him to move from side of you or go from here so I don't talk to me. Yeah? You can't do that, Rasta. You know, see it. In most cases, enough youth will pick up gun and do things, do it under duress. Because them know say if them go on like them know with the game or with the thing, them put them family in jeopardy. You know see it, so you can't say a man guilty by association in a them case. Yeah. Rasta. You know see it. More go around and keep up him bag of folly. You know see, me don't know how. What sort of credits man I forget nowadays for be recognized and respected as bad man more and if you have to just have a scammer in your back pocket and you're good, everybody else respect you and give them credits there. Not in my day. You know, Rasta. I don't know where them things come from. You know, see it. You know, see it. Because there's no way shape our farm. Is it acceptable or even perceivable? For put your family them in a danger like that and still go around and swing it like say, years have any consequence. Now you're a dead man walking, Rasta. You know see it? You're a dead man walking. See? You're there a prison and call up associate. Bad man associate themselves with certain things that them do, especially when it's dangerous like bagger. Like man like bagger. You're there a jail or walk and chat up yourself how much are you responsible for bagger. And you know you don't have nothing to do with that. You know see it? You know you don't have nothing to do with that. To the man them we do it now and them name call up them name. Nah call. You know see it? You jump and claim to see it then now. You end up a man of consequence son just dead like that because the man name where him name. Because Spranger name where him name. him son now becomes prime target because you related to the family certain way. You know, see, I be them either thing they want to walk around and keep up and the think about the consequence of the action. You know, see, to no love, you know shouldn't even be in the politics. I like to say, I don't know how some man get the name, so them a bad man. You know, see, because if you go around and perpetrate certain things and put innocent people in a danger and jeopardy, Rasta. Nobody now go rate, nobody now usually not rate you, you know. You know, see, nobody now rate you. You're soon dead, you're usually dead before you go to prison. You know, see, a big deprivation when I keep up. You know, see it, and I deviate from the whole concept. I step in and I do some little stupid thing just for name and fame and get on a name call from media. That make you feel good about yourself. You know, see, the people them for bow no up, man, and no going cause people run things, you know, you think I own no bad man pan no can and run things, you know. You know, so the people in my Portland I deal with the little fool them where go down they go rob. The people them just pick up back them cutlass and start chop up boy nasty. You know, see it. You know, see it. As some of them things that get up people to start going and run with someone with no stupidness and one gun and 10 gun. I come talk about a bad man, I want alone. The youth them for all some of all the youth them were a soldier more than one just, you know, see it. Them love them belly too much too. Because no boy can't come buy me through my belly, you know, and make me call him Dan and say him a bad man, you know. You know, see it. Oh, more for their prisoner claims bagger life when him know say him have him whole family out there and family where they have not step or a try involve themselves in a certain things. Eh? What kind of bad man? And you know how you would do it. Eh? You know how you would do it. I see him here in India and go broke war with the Gaza. Broke war with the Gaza and move after Sikarai. You know see it. And cast a house load of your family for dead off over Portmore. I be that thing you keep up. Because you never wasn't even successful with Sikarai. Not good. And because I give praises same way even though your own family dead off. But would it have stopped there if you did successful with Sikarai, Master? Eh? Now, who is you for you put up yourself openly to them challenge the Rasta? Eh? You move by your own. Yes, the curse coming like more time we have to just watch all the women them where we procreate with and all them thing the Rasta. You know see it because sometimes some negative energy and some old crosses where some woman pooper keep up and all them. Probably woman them too. You know see it. Just come over upon them, pick me. You know see it. Cause where you're two better them there, right you know. You're two better them wanted over stupidity. You know see it. And you now down there, sir. You there at prison for the same stupidity. You know see it. And watch you now. The liar where you send go bad up a liar. Me want you use that and consider your position. You claim say you don't like what the liar do because you obviously bigger liar than the liar. You know more than the liar. You know see it. So you send back for your money from the liar. You know, say if you touch one liar in a Jamaica, the whole bar in a Jamaica, the whole bar association cause the world you touch door. You know, see, you disrespect one and you intimidate one like that. And then the one just a name your money now. You know, see it. If you have another liar, you know, see it. Unless the liar they keep where you do quiet. And if you honestly sit down in yourself, say you can this a member of an organization and still intend to seek help from that organization over time, that for sure you, the thought process will go through your head as a bad man, as a so-called bad man. You see it? I better if you did just make the liar name the money there and move on. But I just show you. You don't know when and how to make enemy. You know see it. You don't know when and how to make enemy. Because you never consider the fact that your whole family over Portmore I go up on them knee. I beg for them life. When you pursue your ego. You don't see it. No found no consider them sitting there. You don't see it. And me no know who I call uno bad, uno no bad man, uno a dopey bat. You don't see it, uno a villain. Come because a movie, uno acting on Rasta. You don't see it. And uno just, I perpetuate the bad one, the villain. So uno have to be the villain. Because nobody not like uno Rasta. You see, even the people them were supposed to their own, them will not hurt the most. So all people around are going like, You see it? I don't consider on yourself, so try not pull the trigger or do the crime when you're not responsible for it. Rasta, your action lead to that, man. Your action cause the ripple effect, man. Cause big man for money, You see it? Regardless of the circumstance. You see it? You cause big man you cause the general for mourn the loss of a son. Whenever really necessary, You see it. You see it. Check my Instagram for you see, you get a synopsis of the incident. Because I don't want to run a risk with YouTube. YouTube definitely a fight the platform to a degree. Or nah. Push the platform to a degree, so we're not going there with them. You know, see it. Check my Instagram, Warieka_Hills, and you see the video of the youth. I get mashed up. You know, see it. Bobby, I get mashed up. Again, condolences to the family, and I hope the video don't cost no earth. Publicizing the video don't cost no earth. You know, see it. You know, see it, Rasta. Big up yourself, sprang up, my general. You know, see it. Big up yourself. And Rockfort Mourn with you. Your second home that. You know, see it. No, boy, I don't know. Do certain things and I run. Try keeping yourself in the right zone. In no zone of operation. In that zone of full no zone. Because when you come at the wrong zone, it's a no. You know, see it. You know, see it. Yes, I. But more you know, more every youth round you know, say. You're a money bad boy. You know, see it. You is a boy will live off a scammer. You know, see it. And try buy some food to get a youth belly. At that, I ensure your survival to the point where you were there. You know, see it. You know, see it. You go around and use your mouth and claims people crime and all them things there. You know, without even, you know, consider the consequence, cause, you know, see, you try to show say you're there a prisoner, you can call shots from prison. You call shots from prison, but you can't call shots to a good defense. You can't prepare a good defense. You blame it upon the man we're supposed to, or the whole institution we're supposed to try employ some level of assistance to you. You know, see, good luck with that. You know, see, and probably, you know, yourself, do that purposely for staying there, so, because it lent me your days. You know, see, no for you enjoy prison, because you're more secure in there. I want to keep doing things for stay in there longer. You know, see, I want to keep doing things for stay in there longer, Rasta. You know, see, because me no know how you walk out of that one here or walk away from that one here. You know, see, because I'm from frying pan to fire with that one here, Rasta. You know, see, you push out your boat too far. So you have to just go and glad for the time where you're in there. You know, see it? And it's a sad, sick, twisted affair because I'm done outline in most of my program them, how prison life go, based on my experience. So the world knows so you not live no life in there. So you can put on what sort of facade or what sort of, however, you want to paint it like you in there. I live. You know, see, first thing when you go in there, the water them pronounce as a dead man. It's a body water receiving there. You know, see, because water, but we don't have to investigate, death, roll over. You know, see, but you like, definitely come like a skid mark upon the struggle. You know, see, come like a skid mark on the underpants of the struggle Rasta. You know, see, can continue to do some little dibby thing, some little petty crime and some little petty thing just for enhance on own position and character. Try create a name for yourself and a business who get run over in the long run. You see, that lady there over Portmore take care of the Gaza Rasta. She take care of the whole family. Everybody could have come there and eat and rate and play. You see, you don't know how Spranger and Cartel live. You know, say there was a relationship there, regardless. You see, and when a man there prison, no man not try oppress him or try defend no vibes against him because him done in him struggle and him stress. When him wait till him come back. No man chop in a lot of cases, prison kill out some whole heap of vibes. You know, see, just the fact say a man there prisoner, a man gone a prison and thing like that, Rasta. You know, see, so you never know whether there was a vibes or if a vibes was meant to be there or over time. You know, see, that would have, you know, see, no, you're gonna set fire to, you know, a good thing. You know, see, you're gonna set flames to a good thing. You know, see, even though when I mentioned Cartel, I mentioned it under the guise, so well then, there was a genuine connection between the family of the deceased and the head of the Gaza. You know, see it, or the boss for the Gaza. You know, see it, so there is no way you should have got violate that with your little dirty, petty vibes. You know, see it, Cartel, they are prison, obviously. I can't see him in control or give him credit for being in control of what I want. Sika Rhymes a big man as well. You know, see it, and with other fans out there who are quite powerful. Could I take up things in the morning and do them one of things? I'm on a day for casting aspersion. I try to create another judgment on an already struggling man. You know, see it. You know, see it. But geographically, it is what it is. You know, see it. Momo is responsible and, you know, you should be held to bear, Rasta. Enough people here make get dead in your wake and nobody no value you like that. Enough of them people here left more an imprint in the earth, a productive and a good imprint in the earth than you will ever do. You know, see, because your nature proof who you is already. You know, see, there's a leech where I live off the name and the progress of your relative them while using your actions and get rid of them by while your callous actions. A kill off your elder them, Rasta. You know, see. Now, to the youth them at Greenwich Farm, it's kind of on the side story of the whole thing, it's kind of a disgrace. Knowing that the whole of down there PNP. You know, see. And on the outside force about that can't come together and hold a reasoning amongst the two another and squash the whole thing here. That's another thing when we can't stand with Jamaica politics again. You see, it's when infighting and go on in the politics, the MP, them community, them not pay it no mind, them not business. You see, if them that go across the divide, no wanna fight the political warfare, you hear them jump on the bandwagon as a political ply. You know, see, nobody no intervene in a war, go on in a Greenwich Farm. Just like how nobody no intervene in a war, go on down a Baca West and Tivoli Garden. Because them know so when election call, them still have them people there to come run behind them fanatically and vote for them anyway. You know, see it, all the same people them we are dead off for them family come out, go vote too for them. You know, see it, even though them stand aside and I watch them, are dead off. You know, see it. Whichever, I mean, you say a Babsy Grange that run on, she what this woman name? No, Babsy Grange. I know Babsy Grange. Oh, Portia. You say Portia really responsible for down there. You don't know who responsible now, because Portia no retire from politics. You know, see it. But even in a few ideas, I will be infighting and them could think that usually go on. You know, see it. Same thing out of Rockford. You don't have no man right now, you don't have no political party, have no political wine up there in fighting. And for show you the love and the concern where the politician them are the so-called member of parliament, them you don't hear nothing from them. And them have respect on the ground enough whereby they even go up on the ground and hold a meeting between the faction them. It a go happen. It a go happen face-to-face meeting. And the strong possibility of the whole animosity ending or even cease for a while there is like high, it's great. But yet none of them, none of them step in and try put them foot down to make the thing stop, because of them sort of conflict and confusion here. Benefit them Rasta. You can't tell me that it not benefit them, because when the community divide like that, you can't get a concerted demand for any form of progress. So our politicians, they maintain that level of stagnated thinking, Rasta. You don't see it. You don't see it. Because what go on at Greenwich Farm, nothing go on. You don't see it. It nothing go on. Man like Spang enough, you have no problem for walk through or go through or come through in a Greenwich Farm. Them family, them man, they did a lot to keep Greenwich Farm representational in the eyes of the people and the public, Rasta. You know, see it. The man that did them bit. All when the man Porsche fall out and Porsche say boy one way and him go the other way. Due to the region tree mix up. You know, see it. We're not going to go into that. You know, see it. But again, that a political battle like type of friendly fire and then a great and then a life-threatening conflict of such. You know, see it is more of just a disagreement of position and thing like that. And nothing, it happen all the while and it not really mean nothing seriously. You know, see it. You know, see it. But the politician them need to show more. The people them for demand more from the politician them, and I make them tell you what they're afraid to come down there. You never seen a politician dead like that yet. Anytime a politician walk in the community and say he want a meeting for stop such and such a thing or for whatever, everybody rally around and try to hear what go on. You know, see it. More people even rally around than when them come for them political campaign. I mean, freely. More people freely volunteer for attend them sort of function, yeah. You know, see, rather than even them political campaign, Rasta. You know, see, somebody need to intervene and stop them stupidity. But again, like me, I tell the people of Greenwich Farm, it benefit them when you know a war like this, because you can't focus and come together and say, yo, we demand some contract work for repair the gully. We demand some contract work for do this or do that. You know, see, believe you me, youth and youth. When you not do what you not do some work for them for free, you not do more work for them for free. You know, see, them things have done. The whole of you one and the same people from long time, everybody from everywhere. Ready to know as such. You know, see, yeah, man. Momo a boy, man. Momo a bad man, man. I want Momo kill off him family, them. You know, see, and I go on like him, don't know. Him don't realize what I go on and what him do. Or you forgot claim bag of killing, and you know you don't have nothing to do with that. Or you forgot, you know, see, yes, I give thanks. Share, like, and subscribe. You know, see, put more out there and make him know say him for go quiet himself. You know, like a idiot badness. Like a famous badness. When I try combine. You know, see. Yes, I give thanks, Rasta.